Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. In this video, we will be looking at how to find HCF of two numbers. First, let us learn what is a factor. Factor of a number is a exact divisor of that number, or simply we can say a number that divides another number exactly without leaving remainder. For example, 10. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. These are those numbers which divide 10 exactly without leaving remainder. We had studied in our junior classes 1 is a factor of whole number. We had seen, we also know that 2 divides 10 exactly. Similarly, 5 and 10 are the numbers which divide 10 exactly. Now let us see what is HCF. In HCF, H stands for highest, C stands for common, F stands for factor. So, HCF of a two number is the highest common number that divides both the number exactly. For example, let us take two numbers 10, 12. Factor of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So common factor are 1 and 2, but the highest common factor is 2. So HCF of 10 and 12 is 2. Now let us learn HCF with this activity. Material required for this activity: a sheet and bindis. Let us take two numbers 16 and 12. First consider number 16. Now we have to take 16 bindis and arrange the bindis in all possible ways such that each time a rectangle is formed. So now we have to think two numbers. If I multiply those two numbers, then my resultant would be 16. And we know if any number is multiplied by 1, then our result will be that number. Similarly, if I multiply 1 with 16, my result will be 16, and this is in a rectangle form. Similarly, we know 2 into 8 is equals to 16. So, 2 into 8, 2 rows are there and 8 columns are there. And we know for rows, we have to move horizontally from left to right, and for columns, we have to move vertically from upward to downward. Another arrangement is 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is equals to 16. And our last arrangement is 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is equals to 16. So these all 4 are our arrangements. So factor of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16 itself. Factor of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now same steps we will repeat for number 12. 1 into 2 is equals to 12. 2 into 6 is equals to 12. 3 into 4 is equals to 12. 4 into 3 is equals to 12. 6 into 2 is equals to 12. So, factor of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now, we conclude factor of 16, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Factor of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, common factors which come in between 16 and 12, that is 1, 2 and 4. Highest common factor is 4. So we conclude largest number which is common in both the factor is our required HCF. Thank you students. That's all for this activity.